Your phone just went quiet. No bars, no calls, no texts. It feels like a glitch. It might not be. Because somewhere, a stranger's phone just came alive, with your number on it. And the next security code your bank sends goes to them. No one touched your phone, so how did they take your number? Now, that code exists for a good reason. Passwords leak all the time. So your bank adds a second lock, a code only you should have. Think of a code check. You hand in your code, that's your account, and you get a number ticket. No ticket, no code. So even a thief who knows your password gets turned away as long as they don't have your ticket. Here's the question nobody asks. When the code comes by text, where does your ticket actually live? Not in your pocket. A text code travels through your phone company, like a ticket kept behind the counter, with the attendant. And whoever the attendant believes is you, gets handed your ticket. Your second lock is only as strong as one stranger's judgment on a busy day. Now meet the smooth talker. They've already collected a few facts about you. Your name, your birthday, your address, leaked or bought, it's out there. They walk up to the counter and say, "I lost my ticket, but it's me, I promise." They sound confident, they know the answers, and the attendant believes them. Just like that, your number is moved to their phone. That's the moment your phone goes quiet, and every code meant for you lands in their hand. Your code walks out the door, on someone else's shoulders. And here's the twist that makes this so sneaky. The bank's lock worked perfectly. The code was real. The ticket was real. It just wasn't in your hand. A lock can only check the ticket. It can't see the person holding it. That's why the people who write the security rulebooks now rank text codes as the weakest kind of second lock. Better than nothing, but the weakest. So take a breath, because moving your ticket somewhere safer takes about 5 minutes. Here's the one move. Switch your codes from text messages to an authenticator app. It's a free app that lives on your phone and prints a fresh ticket every 30 seconds. And here's the quiet magic. That code is made on your phone. It's never sent to you, so there's nothing to intercept. No counter, no attendant, no smooth talker in the story at all. Even if someone steals your number, the tickets keep printing in your pocket, and theirs stays blank. The switch takes 3 small steps. 1. Get the app, Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or the one already built into your phone. 2. In each account security settings, find 2-step verification and choose Authenticator app instead of text message. 3. It shows you a square to scan. Scan it and save the backup codes it gives you somewhere safe. Start with the accounts that matter most, your email and your bank. And one bonus move. Ask your phone company to put a lock on your number. Most will do it for free, so no one can move it without a PIN. One more breath. If an account offers a passkey, take it. That's a door that opens only for your device. No ticket to steal at all. So the ladder is simple. A text code at the bottom, an app code above it, a passkey on top. Every rung up takes your ticket further out of a stranger's hands. And you don't have to climb to the top today. One rung is enough. So that little text code isn't useless. It's just a ticket sitting at someone else's counter. Move it into your own pocket, and the smooth talker has no one left to fool. 5 minutes. Start with your email and your bank. If someone you love still gets their codes by text, send them this. Calm and simple. I'll see you in the next one.